a two-stage rocket. And what that means is that the first stage, I hadn't thought about the sun in your eyes. We're going to launch it that way so that you guys don't have to look into the sun. So we'll do an angle launch. Fins together. So, this is a two-stage rocket. What that means is first, the engine will push out gases that'll make this go up. Then the engine that's inside will push out gases inside, and the top will come off. When the top comes off, out will come the parachute. So as long as there's not too much wind up at about 60 or 70 feet, the parachute should open, and then it'll float back down. Sometimes, if there's too much wind, the parachute gets wound up, and then it goes, "Look out, here I come!" and crashes. Fortunately, there's no astronaut aboard, so no one gets harmed.
I know there's no astronaut aboard. Nobody can get tiny. Nobody can get tiny. Let them make a motion floor to get tiny. If they make a motion floor to get tiny, then they can get tiny.
We'll dive that way a little bit.
You can't.
We won't be staring right in the sun. Now, this is how we do it. I do the first one as a test rocket, but then Mason is going to launch the second one.
Oh, what?
That's right. He's going to become a Rocketeer today.
If he wants. If he wants.
If he wants to.
He will.
He's the boss. You're the boss, applesauce. Understand, rubber band? Okie doke, artichoke? No, I said okie doke, artichoke.
No, he said you're the boss.
Now, this is going to go up at about 200 miles an hour. Close. And we're using electricity to launch it.
What if it hits the car?
If it lands on a car, it won't hurt it, because they're just plastic and cardboard.
Yes! Make it land on the car! Make it land on the car!
They landed on my car, son.
Make it land on the dinosaur! Make it land on the balloon.
Now, the first thing that I do is I test my electrical. I push this down. If I get a light, then that means it's connected properly. So that's what I'm looking for. Then I move back so I don't get hit by the gases. Then I've got to push this guy down and hold it. When I push this button down and hold it, then we're going to get a launch. So everybody count backwards from 10 to 0. Go!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Parachute deployed! Oh, we lost part of it! No one can go touch it! Don't go! Alright, we see that we lost the bottom, and the tree ate the top. That's pretty much par for the course.
Yay!
If there's a tree, the rocket will find it. This one we're going to aim a little more that way.
Let's show you guys!
Bring this up a little.
Don't want to get hit by a burning rocket!
We're going to work it here safe, and then we're going to launch it.
Did you really want to get hit by a burning rocket? I do. No. Yeah,
You do?
I do. Hey, I do it for you to shoot. Yeah, you die if you got a rocket. Will you die if you find a launching rocket? Will you die if a rocket is on you? Will you die if
No, you wouldn't die.
you would die for what? No, what happens
Now,
if
we
you
got to test it. You got it right. All right. Now, any cars either way? Safe. Start your countdown.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Good job, sir. We're getting a parachute deploy. It's coming down in rapid descent, and the tree eats another one. We got rockets and trees all over San Diego County. But sir, now you get your very own rocket.
All right.
You are officially a Rocketeer. Let's hear it for the new Rocketeer. All right, are you guys ready for more science? To the backyard we go.